Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest affordable smartphone from Tecno in India, the Tecno Camon I Air. So we recently did the unboxing and review of the Camon I in India. So this is slightly cheaper variant of the Camon I. This is called the Camon I Air, and this is priced actually 7,999 in India, and comes with quite decent specifications, and it also has this infinite display or the 18:9 aspect ratio display. So this is the box pack of the Camon I Air, and you can see that 100 days replacement is included, and there is one-time screen replacement included and 1 month extended warranty. That means you get 13 months of total warranty included. So it has this infinite display, and 8 megapixel and 13 megapixel are the camera. So here on the rear panel you can see the specifications: 5.65 inches full view display, 8 megapixel front camera, screen flash and LED flash, 13 megapixel back camera with quad flash, 16 gigabyte storage, 2 gigabyte RAM, Android 7.0 out of the box, 4G LTE, VoLTE support, 3050 mAh battery, and fingerprint scanner is included. So we have the gold variant of this device, and you can also see the sensors included in this device. Almost all the sensors are included, and you get 16 gigabyte storage with this, and you also get USB OTG functionality on this device. So that's the device. So you can see here it's powered by the same MediaTek MT6737 quad core chipset. It is clocked at 1.3 gigahertz. So that's the device. So let's just open this box and see the device. So there you go. So you can see here Tecno Camon I Air, that's the device. So 8 megapixel camera, screen flash, all everything is mentioned here. So let's just peel this off. You also have some stickers at the back panel. So look wise, this is quite similar to the Tecno Camon I, and this is the Air variant, slightly cheaper variant with just 2 gigabyte RAM and 16 gigabyte storage. So you can see here there is a pre-installed screen guard on this screen, and it has a 2.5D glass along with 5.65 inches full view display. And you get this quad flash and the fingerprint scan along with the Tecno branding. So let's just boot this device. In the meantime, let's see what comes inside the box. So there you go. So we have this user manual included, Camon I Air. So everything about the device is included here. So you can see the SAR value of this device is less than 1.6. That's the mentioned here. So it's lesser than the standards prescribed. 12 plus 1 months of warranty included, and you also get a case, this silicone case included with the box pack. And other than that, you get the SIM ejector pin, and there is adapter, charging adapter is at 5 volt 1.2 ampere, and you also get quite a decent quality earphones included. So that's the bundled earphones. Looks quite good in terms of the quality. You can see here this is the bundled earphones. So that's it. Then you also get the standard micro USB charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So that's the Tecno Camon I Air, and we have Android 7.0 out of the box. So again, let's go to the settings and see the options available. So it looks quite similar to what we've seen on the Tecno Camon I, and we have the version update here. So you can see here Android version is 7.0, and the iOS is the custom UI on this device. So the version is 3.2, and this is powered by the MediaTek chipset with 2 gigabyte RAM and 16 gigabyte storage. So that's the UI, and other than that, let's see if there are any other features included. So some additional options like power saving mode, then micro intelligence with having touch gestures, double click to broadcast, music gesture, flip to mute, then take screenshot with 3 fingers, cover silence. So some additional options are included. So that's the UI, and looks quite decent. So UI wise, there has been not much of a change when compared to the Camon I, and the Air variant is more of slightly cheaper variant with slightly lower specifications. So almost everything else remains the same, and let's have a look at the camera. So it's a 13 megapixel camera with quad LED flash, and we have a 8 megapixel front facing camera for selfies. So let's just take a couple of snaps here. So there you go. So quite decent looking photos here. So you can see here the clarity looks quite okay, and details are also quite acceptable for a budget offering. So this is the 13 megapixel shooter. So here are some of the samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So this is quite a decent offering in this price segment, offering decent 13 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel shooter along with a fingerprint scanner and full view display. So device also comes with a 3050 mAh battery that should be quite good enough to last for a day in moderate usage. So that's all guys, with the detailed unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Camon Air with infinite display and fingerprint scanner. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.